Today, July 23, 2021. We are again at Tilganga Pashupati. We are going to distribute food to poor and needy people. The person who helped through Gishitashi Dorje and died of Shirya Kun Kablin. The person who donated was Kung Tashi Namgela and Pema. Chosang family from Maestron, $550. Shara from Tonento on behalf of late Uncle Pema Singh, $125. Tenzin from New York on behalf of late father Tenzin Chudin, $150. The total was $825. Convert Nepali rupees 94,050. The amount spent in food 365 piece 73,000, water 5,000, fruit 5,500. You got 45,000, 4,500. Sorry. Transportation charge 6,000. Total 94,080. Thank you to everyone.
ए बसम खाना आउँछ ए बाबु
तपाईहरुलाई मेरो तर्फबाट धन्यवाद र हाम्रो यो हाम्रो मजदुर जुन मजदुरहरू अहिले बसेर यहाँ देखिरहनु भएको छ र देखाइरहेको छौँ हामी उहाँहरूले अझै पनि खाइरहनु भएको छ र उहाँ खुसी साथले रमाइलो साथले दिनुभएको छ
दही खानेमा बस्छ
भाइ